Okay, so me and my girlfriend Ashton, which you can't see because it's dark, are on the way to Goat Farm Road, which is I don't know, it's a weird area. It's supposedly haunted, but it has a weird backstory. Like this group of people apparently were in the satanic cult or whatever. It's rumored to be satanic. I've actually heard stories that it wasn't satanic and that it was actually some kind of weird religious affiliation. I can't remember what it was. But whatever it was, you know, they hung animals from trees, like goats, and that's, I think, where the road got its name, actually. Got goats and goats and dogs and whatnot. And we're on the way there. There's the GPS. Where is it? Are we near? I don't really know how this.
We just keep
going straight.
Yeah.
Okay. But yeah, we're going there to check it out. And we're not going like super late just for effect. It's only 7 o'clock, but it gets like pitch ass black at like 5:30. So stupid farmers and their stupid fucking daylight savings time. Farming.
I think we should show the name of the road so people know it's actually real.
Oh yeah. Although my camera won't really focus.
Okay, hold on.
Yeah, there it is.
Goat Farm Road, right there.
Yeah, you can. Yeah, it's they can see
real.
enough.
It's real, we promise.
You can look it up on Google, actually. It'll tell you the stories and stuff. There's not really much on Google, actually. I think I Googled it the other day and there wasn't much, but we're gonna go check it out. Are there any cars behind us?
No.
Okay.
So, no.
All right.
Turn left.
Turn left?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh man, it's kind of hard to hold a camera while driving, actually. Nah, you're holding the GPS. Okay, sharp left. I'm pretty sure, like, I went here about a year ago, and I didn't drive though, but so this is the first time actually driving here, but we were here about a year ago, and I actually went a little bit inside. I don't know if it was kind of an overgrown portion of it, and I swear to you, like, I heard stuff moving. It was very strange. I mean, it could have just been an animal, because it is, like, you know, outside. Could have been a goat. Yeah, exactly. But it was very strange. Like, I saw, like, glares. They looked like eyes, and I saw glares, too, which I don't know if animals' eyes glare or whatever, but I got the hell out of there pretty quick. I'm a pretty brave guy, but you know, not in the woods, like, not in an open area, like, that's away from wilderness, but I don't think we won't go too deep in. That's what she said, right? Right, okay.
That's not appropriate for this video.
It is not appropriate for this video. I can cut it out if I need to.
Hey, does the road, like, end down here really soon? Because it just kind of stops on the GPS. Like, it doesn't continue.
Yeah,
Why does it do that?
I don't know, it's weird.
It is weird.
So let me see that.
See, like, it's just...
We're driving on nothing right now,
Yeah.
according to the GPS.
Although we are clearly on a road.
Yeah. Now the road ends. I think we actually passed it, because there's like a little area that I went into. Yeah, we're in a cul-de-sac right now, so we need to get the hell out of here. Make sure I don't drive off into a cliff.
Yeah, let's not dive there.
What the hell is that over there? Wait, did you see that?
I did.
What was that?
I don't know.
I don't have a light or anything on this camera, so I can't.
You want me to slide just like no flashlight out there?
Not really. Okay, that was...
Something like white?
Yeah, it was like white. I don't know if the camera picked it up or not, but...
Maybe it's just like a pole or something.
Was it a dog?
No, I don't think a dog is that tall.
I had the camera pointing like forward the whole time, so maybe I got it. I don't know. But, okay, it's around here. I'm pretty sure it has like a private property sign of some sort.
We could just like make a park off the road and like climb over it or something.
Yeah, that's what I'm planning on doing. Is that right? That's a fire hydrant. Wait, there's is that a road? Yeah. think this is it.
Pull off right here or something.
Yeah, let's see. Yeah, there's a gate.
I'm just like, I really don't think anybody would be up here, so.
Well, we won't stay too long. We'll just check it out with the camera real quick.
Yeah.
But let me make sure nobody's around. Okay. Yeah, we'll resume this when we get inside. Okay, so we're going up here on Goat Farm Road. It's really cold. Probably won't stay but like 10 minutes and come back in a future episode. Make sure there's nobody behind us. Okay. So I'm a little paranoid.
Oh, like this place is creepy.
I know. Yeah, there's like a clearing up here, I think, and we can sit for a little bit. See if we can.
We saw like any animals.
Yeah, I know.
Like weird, like dead animals running around.
Yeah, if I saw that, I might get the hell out of here.
Scared.
But, wait, stop. What the hell is that? The fuck is that?
Come on.
Is he behind me?
No.
I mean, he's following us.
No, I don't see him.
Let's just get back to the car. Fuck that.
Who was that? What's he doing? Who comes out to this? I mean, I'm not that late, but